Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 23rd, 2024, and we're diving into CME Group's latest earnings report for the third quarter of 2024. Joining us is John, our Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss CME Group's impressive performance this quarter.
Let's get started. CME Group has reported all-time record revenue and adjusted earnings per share for Q3 2024. This is quite a milestone for the company.
Indeed, it is. CME Group has achieved record revenue of $1.6 billion and adjusted earnings per share of $2.68, marking a significant achievement in their financial history.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. CME Group reported a net revenue of $1.6 billion for the third quarter of 2024. John, can you shed some light on this?
Absolutely. The revenue of $1.6 billion is a record for CME Group, driven by strong growth in trading volumes across all asset classes. The operating income also reached $1.0 billion, reflecting efficient cost management and operational leverage.
And what about the net income and earnings per share?
The net income for the quarter was $913 million, with diluted earnings per share at $2.50. On an adjusted basis, the net income was $977 million, and the adjusted EPS was $2.68. These figures highlight CME Group's ability to convert revenue growth into substantial profitability.
Volume and market performance. John, CME Group has reported a record average daily volume of 28.3 million contracts. What are the key drivers behind this growth?
The growth in average daily volume is primarily driven by a 36% increase in interest rate products, reaching a record ADV of 14.9 million contracts. Additionally, commodities volume rose by 20%, and options increased by 27%. The international ADV also hit a record 8.4 million contracts, with significant contributions from EMEA and Asia.
That's impressive. How does this performance reflect on their market position?
This performance solidifies CME Group's position as a leading derivatives marketplace, showcasing their ability to capture market opportunities and manage risk effectively across various asset classes.
Financial health and shareholder returns. So let's talk about CME Group's financial health. They have reported $2.6 billion in cash and $3.4 billion in debt. How does this impact their financial stability?
CME Group's strong cash position of $2.6 billion, despite having $3.4 billion in debt, indicates robust financial health. The company has been able to manage its debt effectively while maintaining liquidity to support operations and growth initiatives.
And what about their commitment to shareholder returns?
They paid $419 million in dividends during the third quarter and have returned approximately $25.6 billion to shareholders since 2012. This demonstrates a strong commitment to delivering value to shareholders through consistent dividend payments.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. John, what strategic initiatives have contributed to CME Group's success this quarter?
The strategic focus on expanding financial product volumes, which grew by 28%, has been pivotal. Notably, SOFR futures reached a record ADV of 4.1 million contracts, and treasuries grew by 31%. These initiatives have been instrumental in driving overall volume growth.
And what does the future hold for CME Group?
According to CEO Terry Duffy, this was the best quarter in CME Group's history, with expectations for continued growth. The company is well-positioned to leverage its diverse product offerings and global reach to sustain its momentum in the coming quarters.
Key takeaways. In summary, CME Group has delivered an outstanding performance in Q3 2024, with record revenue and profitability. Their strategic initiatives and strong market position suggest promising investment prospects.
Indeed, the record revenue of $1.6 billion, adjusted EPS of $2.68, and 28% growth in financial product volumes highlight CME Group's robust performance. Their strong cash position further supports their growth trajectory.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on CME Group's performance in the comments below.